Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop. I've been challenged by Nick Mazzio from Make It Mazzio to carve a pumpkin without using my hands, using only tools. Once I start carving this, I cannot touch it. This is the only pumpkin I have because my girlfriend bought it for me. So I have a pumpkin. I also have a vise. Alright, to start this off, I've got a brand new razor blade. I'm just gonna see how much of this I could do with this razor blade. And I'm not allowed to touch the pumpkin, so I'm hoping that this vise holds it. Kitchen knife works so much better. Holy crap. I've never seen the inside of a little white pumpkin. Aww. Look at this. There are tiny little seeds. They are packed in there. Holy crap. Need something to get those out. Now, I'm no expert, but I have carved a few pumpkins in my day. So I'm gonna trust the spoon. Oh, it's like one little spoonful. Oh, this is cute. Aw. This has so far been a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be because it was tough to get in there with the spoon without holding it with my hand, you know what I mean? Like even though it was held in the vise, stand him up like this, I think. Now, time to draw a face on, and you always use a marker. Alright, so usually it doesn't work if it's wet unless you've got some kind of marker that works better on it being wet. But I'm just going to use this old Sharpie marker because, you know, it really doesn't matter. I don't really need it anymore. Okay, without touching the pumpkin. I think that's beautiful. Isn't he just the cutest little pumpkin? I've got what I believe to be maybe the perfect tool for this once I have an entry point into the pumpkin, and that is this tiny little Olfa blade that I'm going to put in a tiny X-Acto knife. Don't know if this is gonna work, but the only way you find something like that out is by actually trying. Yes. That's so cool. Oh man. I don't know, some of these shots might have this mess of tools on the floor. My shop is a mess right now. I don't know where I'm gonna put that bike. Also, the tools need to go back on this wall. If you've been a long-time viewer, you'd know that they used to all be on there, but I'm redoing it extremely different. I'm gonna put a piece of plywood across here, hang all my tools on the wall. I wanna have my power tools in there, and then have all my small tools and files that I have extra in there, but I wanna have one of everything on the wall. It's gonna be a box thingy here, a box thingy here, and then maybe put my name or logo right across here, and then this will be a different color plywood, I think. Anyways, that's just why there's a mess right here. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank Nick Mazzio for making this challenge because I would have never done this without that challenge. So thank you, and definitely doing it again next year. I will do it before Halloween though next year. Thank you guys so much for watching. A huge thank you to my Patreon supporters for supporting my Patreon page and allowing me to make an income creating videos for you guys to watch for free. So if you guys have the means or you would like to help me out or support my channel or my content, please feel free to check out the Patreon link. I will link it up in the top corner of the screen. And a huge thank you to my top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robin Bird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are absolutely incredible. That is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.